Hi traders, today is 18th of November 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market. Time now is 9:15 a.m. New York time. So we are already in the market for short sell position. So based from my day trading setup for especially for US session, we have found an entry at 57.15. Which is due to the slippage. We did enter at 57.14. So I'm still using December contract 2019. So the first signal appeared at 57.15. So we target to take profit at 56.82, which is around 33 ticks. That's the target, about 330 US dollar for one contract size. So order already filled just now, a few minutes ago. So now we are waiting for the market to go on the direction. So at this moment we are minus 20 ticks, and let's wait for another 35 minutes, as expected that we can complete this position either to go for a TP or the stop loss. So this is where we going to exit the market. So this is my entry due to slippage. Now the price I did enter at 57.14, and this is a stop loss, and this is the target for the price movement. So as you can see that from the current situation on the smaller time frame, you can see there's a big, looks like a sideways move from the smaller time frame. I hope that the market will go further down on this direction, because we're still waiting for the confirmation. The first signal appeared just nice exactly at New York, sorry, at US session time. So let's wait furthermore. So maybe targeted around 30 minutes time. So by the way, there's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it to get a live signal. There's a promotion for the newcomer. So if you are the traders for crude oil market, so this is one of the best live trading signal been offered so far. So let's wait. I'm still hoping that the market can go down after touch the 57.14 and 57.13. So we have been in the market for around 12 minutes. For now, market did try to make a sideways movement. Hopefully this will be a good breakout position in case the market goes to our direction. So just need to be more alert on the smaller time frame. Looks like a reversal, so we have to careful. Alright guys, we're in the direction. So for at this moment, for both ES, E-mini, and also crude oil in a good direction. So PNL at this moment is 100 US dollar. So we can see this market go for a rise, consolidation, and then break to the south. So I'm expecting for the market to go further down, and this is our estimation for the profit target area. Price now 57.10. Any moment it will reach 57.00, which is a quite important level. Okay, here is 57.00. Once it's breakthrough, then it will reach 90 quite easily. So before it go to our profit target of 82. So any moment to get the profit target also is quite good enough. But I'm suggesting for the traders to put in as they put till they reach the limit. So ES also, E-mini is quite good. We only trade one lot position size. Should be a good one. As you can see, high volume waiting at a 57.00. which is almost near to the current level. So the lowest is now is 57.01, and any moment it will break through 57.00 and easily go to 56.90, but our target is 56.82, which is a few ticks below. So we have to wait for the action to be matured, in my point of view, to take a more profit for today. Okay, let's take a look on the other chart. So as you can see, it was a good entry at this 57.15, but due to the slippage, we did receive the order to be filled at 57.14. So this moment we are still holding on the positive territory around 120 US dollar, with the tight stop loss at 57.43 or 44, and the TP is at 56.82. And we are also expecting for at this moment there is a minor pullback, and penetration to the downwards is quite confirmed at this moment, and looks good for this current position. We are on the short sell position. Okay guys, advising to revise the TP. So the nearest TP will be at 56.88. So I need to send out this information to 56.88. Should be good enough. Okay, at this moment trailing stop is still not yet activated, and looks good. We are back to the positive territory. So now we're waiting. Oh, okay, I forgot to revise my TP. So we put at 88. Okay, 88 is one more. Okay, so the target is 56.88. We hope on the smaller time frame we can see a penetration to the downward movement. So by the way, this one is 5-minute chart. So this is the nearest low. Once it break through, then I can say we are safely will be arrived to our destination of the take profit area, which is 56.88. After revise the TP price level, this is due to some calculation been made that some things is not really will go for the whole direction. That's what I'm expecting. So we cut short our TP area to 56.88. It's quite clear at this moment the market still maintain the sideways move. We can see a quick low somewhere here, another high, previous high, previous low. So still the market maintain on this kind of range, but still below one area. So we anticipate for the market to go on the bearish movement as per now current condition. And PNL for this one still in the minus, which is around minus 60 US dollar instead of about 200 plus just now floating. Testing. Alright traders, resume back again. I have problem with my microphone just now. So our entry here, stop loss remain the same. We have exit with profit at 88, 56.88, and earlier profit target is 56.82, but seems like we are not sure, so I have revised the TP to the higher side, so which means at 56.88, which is here. This is a new TP, but a good thing market did go for both TP area. If you stay at 56.82, hit as well for the profit. If you revise for 56.88, it was a good also, only quite less profit. So we have around 26 for US US session, and the overall PNL, it looks good for crude oil today. And that's what we want. It's a day trade from my day trading setup, US session. Okay, I think that's all for today. We are done, and maybe see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.